morning, children. Today I am going to teach you question tags. Now, what are question tags? I'll show you. Question tags are short form at the end of statements. They are mainly used in speech when we want to confirm something or when we want to find out if something is true or not. It isn't a dog, is it? They are cats, aren't they? Question tags are found with the auxiliary or modal verb from the main sentence and the appropriate subject pronoun. See, Karen is learning to drive, isn't she? Mark can't ride a horse. Can't is what? Modal verb. Can he? We use negative question tag after a positive sentence. If the sentence is positive, the question tag at the end will be what? Negative. Kate will be here soon, won't she? There was a lot of traffic, wasn't there? Michael should pass the exam. See, this is positive, but the question tag at the end will be negative. Shouldn't he means should not he. Once not is added means it becomes negative. We use a positive question tag after a negative sentence. Kate won't be late, will she? See, here it is negative, so question tag is positive. They don't like us, do they? You haven't got a car, have you? When the verb of the sentence is in the present or past simple form, we form the question tag with do, does, or did and the subject pronoun. Look at the example. John doesn't like golf. Does he? They left for Milan. Didn't they? See, when the verb of the sentence is in the present tense. Doesn't like, present tense. Yeah, so the question tag or the address, also we form the question tag in the what? The verb of the sentence is in the present. Doesn't, yeah, does not. Does is present or past. In the next one it is past. We form the question tag with do or does or did. Some subject, some verb expressions form question tags differently. I am, aren't I? Imperative, will, won't you? Don't, will you? Let's, shall we? This you have to remember by heart, children. There is no other alternative. I am thin, aren't I? Stop talking. Will or won't you? Don't talk, will you? Let's, shall we? Let's go out, shall we? I have, that means got, haven't I? She has got a bite, hasn't she? I have. Don't I? You have lunch at 3 o'clock, don't you? There is or are, isn't, aren't there? There is an envelope on the desk, isn't there? This, that, is, isn't it? This is Pam's shirt, isn't it? Anything, nothing, everything, something is equal to it. Somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one is equal to they. These things you have to remember. I like wearing colorful costumes, don't I? She went to the cinema last week, didn't she? I have to wear uniform in the school, don't I? Sheila hasn't written any novels, has she? Kubra can't play football well, can she? I'm from Mersin, aren't I? And all these things, comes with practice. And of course, the rules you have to keep in mind. I'm not from Mersin, am I? Dugu is going to read her English storybook this weekend, isn't she? There's a tape recorder on the table, isn't there? This is a worksheet, isn't it? Don't give me advice, will you? Give an example, please, will you? Sit down, will you? Let's go to party, shall we? Let's play a game, shall we? Somebody is at the door, aren't they? This I told you, somebody, for somebody, everybody you have to use they. Everybody is thinking about the quiz, aren't they? Nobody called me yesterday, did they? So see, nobody, everybody, somebody, you have to use they. Sultan never drinks beer, does she? My mother rarely goes out with her friends, does she? Julia has never been to Paris, has she? My friend seldom has an argument with somebody, does she? Okay, now a recap. That means once again, this is for you to remember. Okay? A question tag is a small question at the end of a statement. Question tags are used when asking for agreement or confirmation. There are two types of question tags, positive, negative. What are positive tags? Let's have a look. See, look at these. Are you, was he, do you? So these are all positive. There is no or not is not there. Therefore, these are all positive tags, negative tags. See, once the word no or not comes in, it becomes negative tag. Look at the word. Doesn't means does not. Was not he, wasn't he. Once you include the word not or no, it becomes a negative question tag. Okay, a positive statement plus a negative question tag. See, you are a student, aren't you? These are all rules you have to remember. A negative statement, Mary isn't. Isn't means not is there. Mary is not a teacher. So question tag is in positive. This you have to learn by heart. No other go. See, some assignment for you. Yes, fill in with the correct question tag. Yes, don't go wrong anywhere. Read the rules, regulations, and then start answering. Try to do it on your own. Okay, let's practice, shall we? Okay, I've asked a few more questions on that assignment. Please go through the questions very, very carefully. I hope you're reading all the questions, writing down in your notebook. The answers. See, put a question tag at the end of each sentence. You should be very familiar with this sort of question. I'm going to give you in the examination. Whichever is the next exam. It could be monthly test also. Go through very carefully. Any doubts? Please contact me. I'll clarify everything. Complete the conversation. Put in the question tags again. You have to put the question tag there. Again, question tag you have to put at the end of each sentence. Yes. First you have to go through the rules. Otherwise you're likely to go wrong, children. So, that was about what? It's a new thing for you. Question tags. So, once again, go through all the rules. Okay. You read it carefully. It is not that difficult. It is quite simple. And then only you start doing your assignment. Otherwise, you may face problem or difficulty. So, again, I repeat, you have your monthly test. After that, you'll have other tests, examinations. Okay, each and every test and examination is very important. So go through thoroughly, read and revise all that is taught to you so that you do well in every test, in every examination. Read this, okay, whatever I taught in this session, question tag. and then you start answering the questions. That's all, children. Thank you.